Alright, here we have my quote-unquote new first generation Wesco mechanical bell from the 1980s. Picked this up from the ATN earlier this week. And this bell in particular, it's like I said, it's first generation. Over here I have my second generation. I'll probably film them ringing together soon, but this one I got from the ATN along with the Martin Industries sitting over there, and more on that shortly. This one came from Commerce Boulevard number 1 in Irondale, Alabama. I actually filmed it in service a couple times before, so I'll see about dropping links in the description. Pretty much your standard first generation. Of course, it's got a 4-inch base on it because this is on a gateless install. If I turn this around, I have the door already open, simply because I'm about to be wiring this up to film it. Here's the inside. It's a bit crusty. We'll probably try to clean that out. Mainly looks like there remains some insects in there, but overall it's in pretty decent shape. Tested it earlier and it rings nicely. Right here, of course, is the paper on the inside of the door, which is trying to come off, but yeah, just showing this real fast. Like I said, first generation. These do not have the stair-step bases. These had individual 4-inch and 5-inch bases, while later on Wesco combined them into this style of base seen on the second generation ones. And of course, don't get confused with the Martin Industries bases that are very much based on these. Yeah, this one works. Got a nice sound to the gong. No date listed on this one, so I'm not entirely sure when it's from, but I'm guessing probably about the mid-80s or so. Let's see here. Well, actually, I'm going to set this down. One thing to show y'all that I found out from the remains of a former Seaward Toast Line first generation Wesco bell I've seen. These actually retain WRS branding inside the base. Right there. So these are the same bases as were used on the WRS bells and presumably the Federal Signal bells too. But yeah, glad to have this bell now. So yeah, just thought I'd show y'all the first generation Wesco mechanical bell I now have. Over and out.